Ginger, first cultivated in Western Asia and used for medicinal purposes since ancient times, is a natural antioxidant. Tea prepared with this plant is one of the most preferred tea varieties with its protective effect from diseases. This tea, which has been used for therapeutic purposes in different cultures for centuries, provides incredible benefits to our body and is good for many metabolic diseases. What are the benefits and harms of ginger tea consumption? How to prepare, when and how much to consume. Who should be very careful while consuming? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefits. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming a glass of ginger tea in the evening? This tea is very beneficial for liver health, especially when consumed regularly. It helps all body tissues to get rid of toxins. Ginger reduces bad cholesterol levels and reduces the risk of heart diseases with the beneficial acids it contains. This plant, which increases the blood flow quality, assumes very important responsibilities in ensuring the correct blood flow. It creates a strong line of defense by protecting the vascular system against cardiovascular diseases. At the same time, it stimulates the production of bile with the substances in it, allowing food to pass through the digestive system much more easily. It improves digestive activities by reducing stomach contractions. It nourishes the beneficial probiotic bacteria in the intestine by stimulating the cells in the digestive system and intestinal tissue. This effect maximizes nutrient uptake and eliminates toxins and harmful pathogens. Especially when consumed with lemon, ginger tea is very effective against digestive problems such as bloating. In addition, ginger, which is full of antioxidants, has the ability to stabilize blood sugar. Particularly in diabetic, glucose particles form unsuitable bonds to proteins, rendering them unusable. Thanks to the substances in ginger tea, it slows down the glycation formation process. A glass of ginger tea against diseases. First of all, ginger shows body temperature regulating effect. It controls body temperature, especially during periods of illness. Thanks to its high magnesium, vitamin C, phosphorus and potassium content, it creates a shield against the body's immune system and diseases. On the other hand, the potassium and vitamin K in its content are very beneficial for our bone structure. These minerals work with polyphenols to fight substances that cause bone damage and bone inflammation. Ginger also has antioxidant effect. Antioxidants help keep cells in the body structure healthy. It searches for harmful cancer cells in the body and neutralizes them without harming healthy cells. Ginger tea for a healthier skin structure. This plant, which helps the secretion of collagen production that supports the skin surface, helps to eliminate problems such as acne scars and acne on the skin. It also slows down hair loss due to iron deficiency by reducing anemia problems. So, is ginger, which is so beneficial, harmful? First of all, ginger extract is actively used in medicine today. Therefore, it has the potential to interact with the drugs used. Consult your doctor before adding powerful compounds like ginger to your diet, especially if you need to take medication regularly. In addition, if ginger tea, which supports the digestive system in high quality, is consumed more than 2 or 3 glasses in a short time, it may invade the digestive system more than necessary and cause a feeling of discomfort. So how much should ginger tea be consumed? He recommends consuming a glass of ginger a day 2 to 3 days a week, where the intake of vitamins and minerals is low. As with any herbal tea, it would be reasonable to take a break for a certain period of time after 3 to 4 weeks of regular use. In the light of this information, you can add ginger tea to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, be informed.